Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to give someone access to Facebook business page. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply open your Facebook account. And if you want to give access to someone, could be your friend, could be your family member, then here's what you're going to do. So first, of course, you have to open your Facebook account and then go to the left side, scroll down, and click this Meta Business Suite. Okay, so you have to go to the left side first and then tap this Meta Business Suite, and it will take you directly to another page. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and you have to click Settings. Under Settings, what you're going to do next is you have to click your Facebook account or your profile. So you have to click this one. And then as you can see, there is this page info and page access. So what you're going to do is you have to click this page access setting in order for you to add or remove someone here on your Facebook page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now go to the left side. And then what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down and look for page setup. Okay, so you have to click this one and then wait for a couple of seconds till you see this page setup, your page name, and then page access. So tap page access right here. And then here you can add, you can remove, you can adjust the settings of your page rows or access rows. So if you want to add someone, you just have to click this plus icon right here and then read the following instructions. Now you have to look for that specific account, let's just say your other account or your friend's account. You just have to search their name or email address. Also, you can go to task access, same thing, you just have to click that one and then look for that specific person or the email that she used or he used when he created his or her Facebook account, okay, or his or her Facebook account. And then once you found him or her, you just have to click and then invite. Also, another thing is that you can go to manage if you want to manage your Facebook like community managers. If you want to add someone here, then you can invite, you can add, and then wait for them to accept your invitation. As easy as that. All you have to do is to add them and wait for them to accept your invitation. This account will not be automatically added unless they accept or they confirm your invitation. Okay, so for example, I want to add my other account or my friend's account so I can choose if she can only access the content, the community activity, and insights or everything here. And then add my password and then after that click confirm and wait for them to accept your invitation. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.